Good day, everyone. Teacher Jean and my student Althea Kate
Kabado.
So, we will be practicing how to read this time.
Yes.
Some prerequisite for this one is alphabet sound recognition. So, we have here
Dad.
dad. Okay, and sana again?
Dad.
Dad. Diba? Dad is our
Man.
superhero. So next, d.
Sad.
Again,
Sad.
sad. Okay, the baby is sad. Okay, next word.
Fun.
Fun. Okay, again.
Fun.
Fun. Okay, the fun looks like this. So, mainam po ito kung ikaw ay naiinitan sa panahon ng tag-init.
O nga, maginaw nga.
Mako, kung maginaw. Okay, kung tagulan naman, maginaw. Next. Next word, B.
Rum.
Ram. Okay. Ram. A ram looks like this one. Okay. Practice read.
Dad. Dad. C.
Hoy.
S.
Sa S.
Ice.
Sa eyes. Again. Again.
C.
Hoy. Ay mo naguna.
Ice.
Hoy, ay ang gana ba? What inside sound sa I?
Balik na balik.
Haman tong balik. Again, sige, balik.
Dad is sad when the
Ha?
rum sit.
Hoy, ay blagi. Tarong tindog.
Eh,
Pag tindog eh malibat gud ko eh. Gi again.
his
Hoy.
ano hits the funny
Ha?
funny
Ha?
fun.
Okay. Dad is sad when the rum hits the fan. Next word. Listen.
Fun.
Ha?
Fun.
Again?
Fun.
Huh?
Fun.
Okay, fat. This is a
fat man and a fat dog.
Okay, this one.
Cat.
Cat.
Nalunok na. Kasi ito na.
Oh, tanawa.
Dermering.
Cat.
Cat.
Next.
Mat.
Mat.
Is it like mulawin?
Mulawin. So this is a mat. Next.
Sat.
Okay, very good. Sat. Oh, tara, mga bata is nagsat sa ilang chair. Sat, past tense. Next. Read B.
The fat cat sat on the mat.
Okay, very good. So you guys at home, practice reading this one. Post nyo lang para kayo ay makapagbasa. Diba, Althea Kate?
Yes.
So,
Yes, ma'am.
bye-bye for now. See you to our next vlog.